Good afternoon, folks. I'm Joe Broder, and this is the Magic Sock Puppet Show, or Magic Show with sock puppets. I'm not doing any tricks. Here's the guy that's doing all the tricks, Marshall. So, Marshall, what are you gonna do here today?
Well, my first trick's gonna be just a pretty classic card trick, and then we got some illusion with some magnets.
Oh boy.
And then for the grand finale, we're gonna bring the water out on set, so let's hope it doesn't get messy.
All right then. So let's see that first trick.
Okay, so we got 21 playing cards here, pretty standard stuff. Does sock puppet, you pick one? And then show it to the camera. All right, so everybody in the audience saw that. Now go ahead and put it back. We're just gonna shuffle this up a little bit. And then I'm gonna just start laying these cards out in piles. You're gonna wait till the end, and then you're gonna point to the pile that you saw it in.
Okay.
All right, which one do you see it in?
Farthest one from me.
So he says it's in this pile, so what we're gonna do is just take those now, put them back together, and we're gonna do the same thing. So just watch the piles. All right, which one?
The one to the left, farthest from me.
This one again?
Yes.
All right, and take them up here again. We're gonna, one more time.
The right pile,
This
closest
one?
to me.
This pile? This pile?
Yes.
All right, so last time here. Now, in theory, the 11th card should be your card, so.
That is my card. That's my card.
Well, there you have it, folks. Another successful magic trick. We're gonna go to the next trick here.
Ooh, another trick.
What we got here is a pretty standard paper clip on a piece of paper. And by the power of my mind, I'm pretty much gonna make this paper clip move. So without touching it. You want?
You can't do it.
All right, here it comes.
What? What? Oh my gosh. What is this?
Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
All right, look at no tricks there. Just a paper clip on piece of paper.
What?
But all it took was a little help from my mind. Would you like to try it? It's fairly easy for anybody who knows how to do it.
Okay. Did I do it right?
I don't think so. No. We're gonna take a quick commercial break. So we'll see you back here in a minute.
Bye.
We all remember DaRag. Well, it's back and better than ever. Why, you might ask? Well, because this DaRag is disposable. We are proud to introduce to you the disposable rag. The disposable rag is a complete remake of DaRag that brings many new things to the table. But the main new feature is that it's disposable, which makes it 98% more better for the environment than the original DaRag. Still not convinced? Well, what if I told you that the disposable rag can clean up multiple messes at a time? But wait, there's more. The disposable rag is far cheaper than DaRag, with a price of $9.99. Act now and you can receive 2 entire rolls of the disposable rag. Just call 1-800-SCAM. That's 1-800-SCAM. The disposable rag, cleaning the environment one mess at a time.
Welcome back, everybody, to the Magic Show with Marshall and me. Well, Marshall, what's our next trick?
All right, so our next trick here is we have this simple cup of water, which my assistant here is going to need to grab us another cup so we can perform this trick.
Okay.
But basically, I'm going to make this water disappear
Oh, disappear.
out of thin air.
Oh, man.
Okay, so we have our second cup here, and as you can see, I pulled back the cloth, the curtain, so we got room to work here. And so I'm going to just start pouring these in back and forth until something magical happens. Oh no, we made... Well, I guess it's a good thing we had the rag. And the disposable one as well. As you can see, it's really cleaning up this mess.
Well, I was pretty impressed with all that magic. I mean, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I know. I'll be here all week.
All right. I think that's it for today, EdTech. Well, thank you all for watching, and remember to stay classy.